away. Just go away. Go away. The beatdown, the humanity going on at Heaven's Gates makes me really not even feel like I need to go to pure screaming hell. I really gotta go. I gotta boogie, woogie, woogie. On down to our last rapid. Pure screaming hell. You okay? I think I shouldn't have been standing on the rock. I think I distracted way too many people. I got work to do. Y'all have a good one. That's it. Hey, that was pure screaming heaven. Now we got pure screaming hell.